Hey everyone, Mark Valentini with PHCC Legislative Affairs. I hope everyone is doing safe and well. Just want to give you an update on some of the things that we're paying attention to as we go into the month of July. It's been a while since we last spoke, but let me give you an update on some of the things that we're paying attention to right now. So for starters, most of you should be aware by now that last Friday, July 3rd, President Trump signed S-4116 into law. And this is a bill that will extend the Paycheck Protection Program through August 8th. When the CARES Act was signed, the program was initially slated to expire on June 30th. So what this does is this buys people a little bit more time if they haven't taken advantage of the PPP loan and they need that liquidity, they need that financial assistance to get them through the next couple of months. They will be allowed to do so by August 8th. And when Congress returns from July 4th recess next week, the week of July 13th, they will begin negotiations on a much more comprehensive COVID relief package. And one of the provisions that's expected to be introduced is a provision that would extend the PPP through December 30th, which is a policy that PHCC strongly supports, and this is going to be one of our priorities for the upcoming COVID relief bill that's expected to pass before Congress again adjourns for the August recess. Number two, one of the other things that we're going to be focused on is liability protection. Senator Cornyn of Texas is taking the lead on this provision, and what this provision would do is for businesses that have followed federal, state, and local guidelines to protect their employees and to protect customers through the use of personal protective equipment or PPE, social distancing guidelines, and other safety measures to ensure the safety of their employees and their customers, they would be protected from any kind of litigation against them by a plaintiff who may have contracted COVID-19 either through work or through other or through another means, so that small businesses like PHCC contractors who have already been through enough don't have to worry about whether or not they're going to get sued because one of their employees or one of their customers may have contracted COVID through your business activities. So we want to make sure that businesses are protected. We want to make sure that businesses have access to liquidity, and also for businesses that have taken advantage of the PPP loan, we want to make sure that the April 30th guidelines that were issued by the IRS, subjecting certain forgivable portions of the PPP loan to federal taxes, we want to make sure that that guidance is reversed so that no portion of your PPP loan that has been used for qualified purposes are not subject to any kind of federal taxes from Uncle Sam. So anyway, we've sent out a legislative alert on the president's actions and a brief update on the things that we're going to be paying attention to in the next COVID relief bill. So keep your eyes open on social media as well as your email inboxes for that. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, you can reach out to me, government@naphcc.org. I'm available anytime. If you want to reach out by email, you can give me a call as well, 703-752-9871. Until then, stay safe, stay vigilant, and God bless.